Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of my package from Victoria's Secret. So I've got a package and I've got 2 pairs of leggings and 1 no-show panties. So first thing it is here. These are no-show panties. They were for free from Victoria's Secret because they had some promotion for Pink Nation people, and I picked up these ones. So they're really nice. Be right back. I changed the lens because other one is not focusing when you put closer, and this one does. So at least I can show you here that these panties looks like this. I like the color, and they don't have here any thicker curves, thicker lines. That's why they are great for leggings. As you can see, they don't have other, only here and the thingy. Here they have some print. We are all equal. Nice panties. They were for free. And I've got 2 pairs of leggings. So I'll show you. First one here. They are seamless leggings, as lately I even like them more than not seamless ones. So this is Victoria's Secret pink, and they are from this nice material. These ones are pink color, neon pink. It would be great for bike riding, maybe to be visible on the road. It's good, as I live in the area where road is really big traffic, and so I walk there, and then it's good to be visible. So I will walk in them. And they have here rib panel, then here some ribbing. Here like this part is ribbed because maybe they're supposed to contour, and here near ankles. So, and they have pink logo on the back, and these ones also have pocket here for small phone. Okay, I've got them in size large. It was some summer promotion, not full price. So that's them. It looks like this. I like them. I like the color.
Hey, Wayne? Look it up, it's still pointing, huh?
And here are those rib panels, and this is in between. leggings I've got from Victoria's Secret is these grey ones. They are also seamless. It looks like this. They have seamless design. In back they have pocket here. Size large. Here they say pink logo. And they have the ribbings contouring that is from rib material. And material is nylon probably. Yeah. This kind. Very nice. So that's my Victoria's Secret. I also and here are the grey ones. They looks like this. They're rolling a little bit sometimes. So it looks like this. And I show you in real life. It looks like this. Just I don't like this seam because I have similar of these ones. Victoria's Secret. And I don't have that seam. That's what I don't like. So in these ones, we have that seam which is a little bit annoying. I wanted to show you small haul. Got two things at Aeropostale. So first thing I've got, maybe I will show you together these hauls because I also got in Aeropostale seamless leggings, and these ones were much cheaper. At least at the beginning they say 40 bucks, but on sale they were like 15 and some coupons code, so even less than 15. And it says seamless leggings like your second skin, medium compression, wicking, 4-way stretch, flexibility for comfortable movement. So that's why I wanted to show you both hauls together, both brands. Actually, I think I like this one's better because I like the color. Here we also have this ribbing material which is stretchable. Then we have here Aeropostale. I don't have any pocket. Here we have ribbing on the side like my older Victoria's Secret pink. See? All the way. And these new ones, I don't have it all the way. I just have it here. And then don't. And then here. And I still like them. But these ones I got for 30 bucks. So it's more expensive. Twice more expensive, and this one around $15. So I think I will not more get from Victoria's Secret pink as way more expensive, and will just get them at stores like Forever 21 and this one, Aeropostale. As these ones are really nice color. And they have also line here, which is maybe not that great, but they really almost the same kind, just a nicer color even. That's why it's always good to look at different stores. Aeropostale, they have 4 colors now and they are now for $16. And they have in color like brown, eucalyptus, navy, glacier, which is like gray, light gray, and red melody. These ones are red melody. So I've got these ones, and they are from X small to X large. And I wanted eucalyptus, but they are sold out, and then only small and X small. Navy is still large, medium, small. Maybe I will cut the light gray and the navy ones. But we'll see. Or maybe not, I don't know yet. So these leggings from Aeropostale are more comfortable to put on because that seam here isn't as tight in. So they are really comfortable, but material seems a bit shinier or smoother. Feels like it's more nylon. Like shiny, another one is more matte finish. Oh, it looks like this. Actually, I like them. You might want more. And they have also biker shorts. Too bad the eucalyptus is sold. In the mirror. But I also got sandals. I will show you. Here we are, sandals from Aeropostale. They were for $15 and I decided to get them because they remind me of Birkenstocks. Although they are not made from leather, they are made from this material like this kind, and this is not real leather, but these ones, they have rose gold buckles, which is really cute, and they have interesting design, as you can see, and pink and light pink color, so they are really cute. And this part is also not from real leather, but it's just some fabric. And this is cork, like in Birkenstocks, and here is some different looking sole. looks like this. I think they look really cute. Didn't put them all the way, but they're really nice. I like the design and I recommend them. Summer vibes. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.